Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Let's learn some colors name. Brown color, green color, orange color, pink color, violet color, red color, sky blue color, yellow color, blue color. Let's learn alphabets. Capital letters. Alphabet A. A for art. B. B for bat. C. C for cart. D. D for door. E. E for elephant. F. F for food. G. G for goat. H. H for hand. I. I for iron. J. J for juice. K. K for kite. L. L for lemon. M. M for museum. N. N for net. O. O for octopus. P. P for parachute. Q. Q for question. R. R for rainbow. R for rainbow. S. S for sunflower. T. T for taxi. U. U for university. V. V for violin. W. W for wind. X. X for X-ray. Y. Y for year. Z. Z for zinc. Let's revise again. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel. Bye bye. See you in my next video.